All right, guys, today we're making a paleo white chicken chili, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by heating up our pot with some olive oil, and then we're going to cook our onions in there, and we're going to cook them for about 5 minutes until they're like this, little all browned, and then we're going to add in our chicken broth and then our green chilies, and then we're going... And then we're going to add in all of our dry seasonings and mix all of that up. And then we're just going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes on low heat. And then I added some sriracha in there to give it a little kick. While that's going, we're going to do our macadamia nut milk and our cashews. And we're just going to blend all of that up until it's completely smooth. Your soup should simmer for about 10 minutes. After it's been simmering, we're going to add in the macadamia mixture and then our lime juice and then our shredded chicken. So you can cook your shredded chicken however you want. I just did mine in an Instant Pot and it was really easy. Mix all of that together, and then I added some garlic bouillon and a little bit more hot water. I did add a ton of chicken in this just because I like more protein with my food, but we're gonna just top it off with some avocado and then some green salsa that I got from Trader Joe's, and that's it. It was super, super tasty. This is definitely protein packed, which is super nice, but then the broth still gives it a really good flavor. I would honestly recommend letting this sit overnight and then reheating and eating it. It was a lot better then. But anyways, bon appetit, y'all.